Hello student, good morning. Today we are going to see poem that is 4.5, If I Can Stop One Heart from Breaking. If I can stop one heart breaking from the breaking. It is poem written by Emily Dickinson. Emily Dickinson is one of the greatest American poets of the 19th century. Her poem, If I Can Stop One Heart from Breaking, is a positive little poem that talks about helping others. Now, boys, we can see that if we are helping others is very important in life, helping others is also very good. We all should help others as much as possible, and we can get many benefits by helping others in life. We all do something in life and strive to move forward, but in that we help others somewhere is needed. You can say our gurus or master helps us to gain knowledge. Our friends helps us when needed. Our relatives helps us in every way when we need it in the life. Now we can see the poem on page number 93. If I can stop one heart from breaking, I shall not live in vain. If I can ease one life the aching, or cool one pain, or help one fainting robin unto his nest again, I shall not live in vain. You can see the hard words which we can see. Cool one pain, it is a phrase. Reduce the pain to give relief. I can ease one life the aching. It is also phrase. If I can reduce the sorrow in someone's life. Unto, this is a preposition. It means to. When means in a useless way. Here poetess explain it. The poet begins by saying that she will do her best to help others to not get disappointed in life. She wants to help the needy as she knows that helping others would give her happiness and satisfaction in returns. Means it is not expectation something we are getting from others when we help to someone. She says that if she can ease even a single person pain or sadness, she would be glad to do that. She would even like to serve helpless robin if it faints by putting the little bird back into the nest or into its nests. The poet is sending out a beautiful message to the readers about humanity and kindness. Means we have to help those who are needy, we have to help them, and then we can get satisfaction, we can get happiness from it. Now you can see the hard words is given below the poem and pointers also. Three pointers you have to write in the notebook. What does the poet wants to do? Does the poet expect anything in return? What is the poet reward? And third one is list the phrases that indicates sorrow or pain. So boys and girls see that now these days are going very much horrible due to this pandemic crisis or COVID-19 pandemic crisis. We have to take care ourselves as well as we have to take care of others too. So for that you have to stay at home first. uh, you have to sanitize your uh, hand, legs, anything, and you have to use soap for washing your hands as well. When you are going outside, uh, you have to use mask on your mouth and be careful. Thank you very much and have a nice time. Good day.